Okay, children. Now, this is 2016 A-level economics first paper. Now, we are going to discuss about the answers in the first lesson with the procedure. Okay, this is our first question. The concept of scarcity in economics refers to a condition where scarcity. Scarcity means human wants are unlimited and the resources are limited. At that time, there is a opportunity cost generating. The meaning of opportunity cost means when you do a selection, you have to sacrifice the other selection. That is the opportunity cost. Now, the answer is people's wants can never be satisfied by the available resources. Then, second question. The production possibilities boundaries are drawn concave to the origin to reflect the. First of all, we will identify what are the production possibility curves. There are different types of production possibility curves. Okay, now you can see this one. This is constant opportunity cost. This is also a PPC curve. Production possibility curve, production possibility frontier, both are same. Then here, this is a linear production possibility curve. That means there is opportunity cost. The opportunity cost means when you do a selection, you have to sacrifice the other selection. There is a sacrificing, but the sacrificing is in each point it is same. When we think about it is 2, each and every point on the PPC, the amount is sacrificing is that is the 2. If it is 3, your answer it is 3. Okay, that is the constant opportunity cost. This is decreasing opportunity cost. You can see the curve. It is here origin. It is curve onto the origin. This is a decreasing opportunity cost. We say this is a convex to the origin PPC curve. Convex. The curve, this line curving to the origin, this is the decreasing opportunity cost. That means there is also opportunity cost. The answer you take like that 6, 5, 4 like that, it is decreasing. That is the decreasing opportunity cost. Then increasing opportunity cost. Increasing opportunity cost means when you do a selection, you have to sacrifice the other selection. Each and every point on the PPC, there is an increasing opportunity cost like that. It is 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. It is increasing. The answer is increasing. Okay. And I have to say, children, you should first of all identify the axis of this diagram. This is your vertical axis and this is your horizontal axis. I named vertical axis as the y and horizontal axis as the x. Then this is your y good and point A you can identify this is your y good. Vertical lines all are y. And here point B, this is your y good. And this is your x good. And the horizontal lines all are x goods. Here B point, this is your x good, and A point, this is your x good. When you move A to B points, you can see the x good is increasing and the y good is decreasing. Okay, that is the way of opportunity cost. And point B to A, it is also the opportunity cost increasing. That is why I show from the arrows. Okay, and this one I have to say the important part is this is your origin, that means 0 origin. This curve is a concave to the origin 1. Okay, so here the answer is increasing opportunity cost of producing more of either good. That is the PPC curve concave to the origin, increasing opportunity cost. Then third question, in a free market economy, which of the following is incorrect? So the other answers you can identify, those answers are correct. Now we are going to identify the what is the incorrect answer. Okay, here prices allocate resources equally among competing producing sectors in the economy. When you think about the free market economy, children, there is a sector. Private sector always concerned about their profit. They think about their self motivation they have. So as a result of that, there are deficiencies, weaknesses in the market economy. That is why the government has to interfere into this market limitedly. The ways the government interfere, because there is no production of public goods and there is a low production of welfare goods. That is why the government interfere to do these things. Welfare goods and public goods we can recognize as, as examples, education and also healthcare facilities are not providing sufficiently, and the public goods also not providing in the free market economy, because private sector only concerned about the profit. So the answer is prices allocate resources equally among competing production sectors in the economy. So that is incorrect. They are not equally allocate. So that is the answer. Then the other answers, they mention about the price. So here is the price performs signaling function, incentive function, rationing function. That means give signal, incentive, rationing to the producers and consumers. They take the decisions to the price. So the other answers are the correct answers and they mention about the price. Here, fourth question. In a competitive market with no externalities, allocative efficiency would exist if prices equal. First of all, children, we'll identify what is the allocative efficiency. Okay, you can see there are two diagrams. The first diagram shows the productive efficiency. Productive efficiency means, children, from the least inputs, take the maximum output, that is the productive efficiency. Here, on the PPC curve, each and every point shows the productive efficiency. But here we take only 3 points to represent the productive efficiency as ABC. And when there is productive efficiency, there should be satisfied two conditions. The two conditions are full production and full employment. Children, we cannot producing all the goods and services bundle in the economy because there is limited resources. So that is why we have to choose one production, one goods and services bundle to produce. We here select the B point as that goods and services bundle. So allocative efficiency means producing the goods and services bundle the society most wanted. So at that time we choose the B. At that time marginal cost equals marginal benefit. This point we choose because the MC and MB are equal. Marginal cost means marginal means additional. The meaning of marginal means additional. Additional 1 unit the cost is, that is the marginal cost. And when additional 1 unit increasing the benefit is the marginal benefit. And you can see this time marginal benefit, marginal cost and price is also determined this time. Price of these three are equal. And other points we cannot take. At other points maybe marginal benefit is greater than marginal cost and marginal cost greater than marginal benefit. These things can be happen. And also we call both of these efficiencies, productive efficiency and allocative efficiency, we call economic efficiency. Okay, the answer is marginal cost in all markets. That means price equal to marginal cost. Here you can see in the allocative efficiency, MB equal MC equal P. Okay, then fifth question. the term human capital refers to? Human capital. You know, labor means physical and mental abilities the people have. And human capital means this improved labor we call human capital. How we improve this labor? You know, now what are you doing? You are take the good education, quality education you like to take. Why? Because you need to enhance your human capital. So through the nutrition, education, experiences, and attitudes, other than that, also healthcare facilities, through all these things you enhance your human capital. So the answer is the skill and knowledge endowment of labor force is the human capital. Then sixth question, potential output is potential output. Children, if you are drawing the PPC curve, the PPC curve shows the potential output. That means when you're using land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship and producing goods and services bundle on the PPC, that is the potential output. Okay, there are, you can see 4 and 5th as the answers I choose. The fourth answer we'll see. There is a small difference between these two answers. The GDP that could be produced when the economy's resources were fully employed at a normal intensity of utilization. Fifth one, the GDP that could be produced when the economy's resources are fully employed at a maximum intensity of utilization. What is the difference? There are two differences in these two answers: normal intensity and maximum intensity. Okay, you know, on the PPC, we use the production factors and producing goods and services bundle. Okay, that is the GDP, gross domestic product. So normal intensity rate and maximum intensity rate. We know the concept, that is the sustainable development. What's the meaning of sustainable development? Sustainable development means we have to produce goods and services bundle, but we have to reserve the factors of production to future generations. We cannot maximum use these factors of production maximally. Why? We have to reserve these factors to future generation. Otherwise, these things can be eliminated from the world. That is why we have to use these things not maximally, normal intensity rate. Okay. So the answer is the GDP that could be produced when the economy's resources were fully employed at a normal intensity of utilization. We have to think about also the future. Okay, these are the ways solving these questions in a procedure, with a procedure.